Welcome back to Dadnarok High Voltage here. Chris, one half of the High Voltage, and this is my son Zach. And today we're going to go ahead and put together a bird feeder for his school project. But before we get started,
hit the bell and subscribe.
There we go, like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy what we got going on here. So first of all, we have everything we need. We have a box for the bird seed that goes in.
And we got a sharp knife,
Yep.
a string, popsicle sticks, glue, and a toilet paper roll that's empty. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more Dadnarok fun. Goodbye.